northeastern Collin County in north-central Texas, southern Fannin County in north-central Texas, northwestern Hunt County in north-central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 8 miles north of Farmersville, or 17 miles east of McKinney, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Celeste around 7:45 p.m., Leonard around 7:50 p.m., Bailey around 8 p.m., Hector and Bonham State Park around 8:10 p.m., Bonham and Dodge City around 8:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Windham, Blue Ridge, Trenton, and Westminster. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.